Adventure Girls.
And welcome to the Wild Adventure Girls Explore channel.
Today we're cutting open and finding out what's inside.
Some of the most exotic fruits in the world.
Awesome!
But first, we're going to need few things. We will be cutting open aloe, a dragon fruit,
Strawberry papaya,
Kiwano Horned Melon, star fruit, and durian.
and of course a couple sharp knives.
Okay, let's get ready. The first thing we're going to be cutting open is a Kiwano Horned Melon.
I can't what now?
This fruit came all the way from the desert of Africa.
Cool! Make sure you get your parents' permission. Okay, here I go.
It looks like...
Wow!
Whoa! It looks just like green seeds.
Now we're gonna try them.
It tastes weird.
It tastes like Wow Bella. She loves it. This kid loves it.
It's like Jello, like weeds. Moving on. Now we're going to be cutting open the super cool dragon fruit.
Whoa. This fruit comes all the way from Vietnam. Okay, here I go.
What? That looks like ice cream.
Whoa.
Ooh, it feels like ice cream.
Oh, that actually feels soft.
It feels so soft. Now we're going to try it.
Okay, Bella.
First, smell it. Oh, that is odd. That tastes really odd.
I think it's just good.
It doesn't taste that good to me.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, moving on.
The next fruit we have is shaped like a star.
And it's actually called a star fruit. Cool! You can find this fruit on a tropical island.
Okay, let's cut it open.
Ooh.
Okay. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna cut the poor star.
Oh, it has juice.
Whoa! That is amazing.
It looks and it's cute, like a tiny little star on the ocean.
Yeah, that is so cute. A starfish.
Yeah.
A starfish. Now let's taste it. I'm gonna cut a slice for Bella. Here you go, Bella. Now I'm gonna cut a slice for Scarlett.
Oh my gosh, that tastes really good.
Now I'm gonna take a slice for me.
That tastes really good. It tastes, actually, it really tastes just like a pineapple.
Not
It tastes kind of like pineapple.
This is good.
This is really good.
We give this fruit a thumbs up. This is maybe our best fruit ever.
Next, we're gonna cut open these Chom Choms, all the way from Vietnam.
Wow.
It actually comes out of its shell. That tastes really good. I give it thumbs up.
Yeah, me too.
This is the first best one I've had. From all fruits.
Time to
Move on. Next, we're gonna do the strawberry papaya.
Maybe it tastes like strawberry.
Okay, here we go. I'm curious what's inside this one because and how it looks and what the name is. This one comes all the way from Brazil. Whoa! Are these berries? I have no clue what that is, but it looks. It looks like a snowflake on first. Oh yeah. This is so neat. It looks like a little star in the middle or a snowflake in the middle. I peeled out the peel. Right here. Now I'm gonna taste the real seed.
Okay, let's taste the seeds. I'm not sure what does it taste like.
No, eat the skin with it.
What?
I'm not a big fan of this.
Nope. Awful.
Pink stuff tastes horrible.
Can't be that horrible. Well, it tastes bad. It tastes bad to me. If it doesn't taste bad to you.
So this next fruit, we've heard people running away from it, and this fruit is called Durian. Okay, here we go. And they said it's gonna stink. Okay.
Whoa!
Okay, good news. We thought we got durian, but we have no clue what this fruit is. If you guys know in the comments, let us know. Okay. Yes, I got it.
What's underneath? Oh, wow.
Oh, it's yellow inside. And an orange right here.
What?
What's
this? It doesn't feel like anything.
It's the food. We have no idea what it is, but we know it's really sticky. The next thing we're gonna cut open is a super plant. This is aloe, and it's full of nutrients, and it's good for your skin. Okay, here we go.
Whoa. Whoa! It's sticky and it's green.
And it's clear.
And it's sticky.
I'm gonna put it on my face.
Let me try.
Oh my gosh, it smells good.
And it's actually really, it feels really good. Oh.
Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show. If you like our show, please put a comment and a like below. And make sure you subscribe. Bye-bye.
Look at the
Wait, no.